Hello everyone, welcome back to Vo ATX Real Estate channel. I am Lena Vo from Premier Team Real Estate. Today I am at the house that I sold for my client, and it is in the North Side Meadow, located in Leander, Texas. So why my client have decided to move to Leander instead of other towns? This location is about 2 minutes drive to the Leander Metro Rail, which is the electrical train that taking you from Leander to downtown Austin. This location is also a few minutes drive to shopping areas such as Costco's, HEB, and other restaurants, to the Apple and the Domain shopping center, and to other high-tech company as well. Leander has a really good school district. There are a couple of future projects that come in to town, and it is called the Indigo Valley. It's a tennis park, and then the Lagoon Water Resort as well. So now let's tour with me the house that I got for my clients, which is going to be closed on Monday. Ta-da! So this is the house. My clients and I actually spent quite some time looking for different houses in west and east, north of Austin. And I'm so happy that he finally found a place called home that he likes the most. So not to waste any more time, let's go check it out right away. This is a D.R. Horton built in 2016. It has 4 bedrooms and 3 full baths. And when you enter the house, it's been graded by open floor plan, family room, and also the entertainment area. It is an open concept where you can see the dining room and also the kitchen as well. Very high ceiling, and it has rounded corner. This house especially, I wanted to show you that they have a special upgrade on the windows. I will take you to this office. The owner who sold this house for my client has upgraded this, and it's really expensive and really beautiful. This feature, this material is very expensive because it's cloth, very easy to pull down and move up. The entire house is full with blinds upgraded. Heading to the kitchen. Here's a dining area. The owner actually left this dining tables and chairs for my clients. And leading to the kitchen, there is an island and also double sink, and this beautiful window light coming into the kitchen as well. The owner also upgraded this lighting system right behind the cabinet. Beautiful installation cabinets as well. These are all customized. And take a look up here. There's also compartments in the cabinets, which gives you a lot of rooms and storage. Next, we are going to check out the master bedroom. It is a large master bedroom, 2 windows. The house has carpet in all the bedrooms. My clients have decided to remove the carpet after they close and put hardwood floor on top, which is going to be really nice. This master bed has 2 double sink vanity. The previous homeowner also built in a jacuzzi, really nice, and a walk-in glass shower with a sitting area as well. This house is 1.5 story, so let's check out the bedroom downstairs before we go upstairs. There are 2 full bedrooms and 1 full bath on this side. Before that, there is a laundry room with a door go to the garage. This bedroom is number 2 bedroom. And then this is number 3 bedroom as well. The 2 bedroom is being shared with the full bath on the right. It's a resale home. This is 5 years old. The owner took really good care of this house. The epoxy garage floor. He also put in shell and cabinets. Everything's been left for my buyer, even the lawnmower. And then all the accessories for the yard, he has left for my buyer as well. All right, let's go check out the upstairs. Here's the big loft. You can see this as a game room or entertainment. He actually left the TV for my client, which is really nice. 2 nice windows with the professional blinds installed as well. And this is really cute for window lights. Besides this game room, there is also 1 full bedroom and 1 full bath. It's a huge bedroom upstairs. It could be a really nice area for guests with a closet. And this is a full bath being shared by whoever lives upstairs. Let's follow me down to the backyard. Before we go out, I want to show you this feature. It's really nice installation that he has for the back. There is a patio that's covered. The seller also left the barbecue grill for our client. It's a nice, decent yard, nice and clean with knockout roses being planted and some Texas flowers. It's beautiful. The house has new roof that was changed about a couple years ago. And also has a really upgraded, expensive solar system as well. I mentioned earlier, this house has 4 size bricks. As you can see, the back of the house has also bricks.
Both sides and the front also have stone and bricks as well. A lot of builders nowadays trying to save costs, they don't do four-side men's story anymore. But D.R. Horton 5 years ago, they did that. Check out this ring sensor. So it's installed. Especially this house has two gates, one on the left and then one on the right. HOA around here is $77 a month, and the tax rate is really low, 2.37%. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video content, please click like, comment, or subscribe. If you need to purchase or move to Austin, Texas, go ahead and contact my information at the end of the video. Thank you and have a good weekend. Bye.